This is a cherry tomato. I just dice it, and I want a little bit kick or tangy. That's why I got this chili. This red onion. Anyway, this is heaps of ginger and a coriander. And also I have a cucumber here. I cut a little bit cucumber. Called kilawin, but here in Western they call tartar. So I gonna make a salmon tartar. Avocado. And the salmon looks fresh. I put this one cherry tomato. Heaps of ginger, mix it together, and onion as well, and of course the chili. And I put this little bit, and also salt, and also you can add some lime, but I don't have that lime. I had this Filipino lime, so this is called calamansi. I put like 2 pieces only, and the rest is like vinegar.